Assalamu alaikum. I'm Danish from Programming Favor. Today I'm going to solve some specific two problems. First one is given write a program to add three numbers using registers, and second one, write a program in assembly language that calculates the square of 6 by adding 6 to accumulator 6 times. Don't confuse 6. Okay. Firstly, I will tell you there exist three types of register. Firstly, accumulator, then BX. Basically, accumulator is a one address register. You can calculate values on only using one address. Then BX is base or address register, which store the addresses of any memory. And third one is used as counter register. Okay, at the first one, go to assembly, and here I already written the program. So first problem is to add three numbers by using registers. So you can see AX and BX registers are used. AX as accumulator, and it is not saving the address, so it is general purpose register. The program in it, the constant 5 is storing in AX. Then here constant 10 is moving to BX, and then AX and BX adding up and then stored in AX. Then 15 is moving to BX and then add. If we try run it, AX here got the 5 value and BX got 15. Then here BX remains 10, but the result is same in AX, so the AX value is 15. In hexadecimal, 15 is capital F. And then when this command run, AX value is 30, because here BX got the 15 constant and it become 30, and in hexadecimal it is written as 1E. So you can see it in debugger. I will show you. Okay, save it as .asm. Yes. Now open the debugger, mount your drive of assembly language software, and then access the assembly folder and write the listing and ex02.asm/o ex02.com, and last is /l ex02.lst. No error found. So you can see here's our listing file. Now open this program in debugger, afd ex02.com. com file is basically the debugger's file. Okay, firstly look at here, AX value is 0 and BX also got 0. Here when we press F2, the constant 5 moved to AX. So also in hexadecimal 10 is A, and BX value is also changed by pressing F2. And then we when add this, value is stored in AX, because the left side with whatever is at left got the value of answer. Okay, now again move BX values with 15, because if we use if we use AX here, the value is changed, because already AX by adding this contain 15 and BX contain 10. If we add this, it will become 25. So we need 30, so use here bx. And then last, when we press F2, also bx value is f, means 15, and we move F2 IE, means it has added up 3 values by using register. So this is how you can use registers. Now I will talk about the next problem. Okay, in this problem we use a accumulator register. You can see, look at. And why we need counter CX register? As we know that 6 plus 6 times of 6, equal to 36. So we have to add 6 times, as it given a clue, by adding 6 to accumulator 6 times. So firstly accumulator is 0, and then add 6 to 6 times in accumulator. Now I have written already. Here's the program. Okay, what is gonna do? Move AX to 0, constant 0 move to AX, the value of AX is now 0, and then constant 6 is moved to CX, because we have to count 6 times. As we have to add 6 time value 6 in AX, so we use 6 here, and then the pointer directly move to this add statement, and value of AX is here is 0, then it will become 6, and when subtracting, after subtracting, its value is become 5. Okay, now this means jump if not 0. This condition, look at the last condition of, if you write subtract statement up and add statement below, then it will check if the AX is when the AX is 0. In this adding AX will never be 0. So look, I have written it subtract CX1 below. So this condition check if the CX is not 0, means 0 flag is not set. Not set means its value is not 1. Whenever it becomes 0, it will terminate, otherwise it will go to the start flag. It is the flag. Okay, it is not 0, then it will become again here, and add 6, it will become 10, 12, and it will become 4, and CX is not 0, then we'll after come here, and it will become 18. I will write it in hexadecimal. Okay, the 12 in hexadecimal is C, and 18 in hexadecimal is 1 2. Okay, after this it will become 3, subtracting, and when fourth loop runs, it will become 24, 18, and it will become, after subtracting, 2. Then again iteration comes, and it will become 1e, and the iteration remain 1, and again iteration comes, and its value become 24, means in hexadecimal it is 36. And when it is 0, this condition it check, and the 0 flag is now set. Then it is whenever the zero flag is 1, it will terminate. Okay, now let's see this thing in. Okay, I will make it a comment so you can see this. Save as .asm, save place, yes. Now again open debugger, mount C and cd assembly, and now write the command .asm /o ex03.com/l ex03.lst. No error found. Now open the listing file. So here you can see our dry run. Okay, now open the file in debugger, afd ex03.com. Now firstly 0 move to AX by pressing F2, and 6 move to CX. Now look at there. Now add a 6 constant 6 to AX. Its value is 6 now, this one, and after subtracting, CX become 5, and it is not 0, it will become add AX. Again it will become 12 and it is 4. Now again it is not 0, so it will again add, it will become 18 and this will become 3. Again CX is not 0, then it is 24 and now it is 2. Again it is 30 by adding and subtracting, this value is become 1. Again it is not 0, so the last iteration. Now 24 is 36. Now our task is completed, that we have added 6 in accumulator 6 times, which is the square of 6, and now by subtracting, the CX value is 0. Now this loop mean J and Z look for the CX is 0 now, so you can see 0 flag, ZF means 0 flag is set. Okay, now by pressing F2, it will move to terminating conditions, and now this is terminated. So this is how you can use counter register to calculate your values or by using a loop. Okay, now right quit and exit. So this is how we can use registers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Allah Hafiz.